Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my favourite things in design at the minute. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you things I've seen on Pinterest, and also things that you can pick up yourselves in shops. Like, there's stuff from Rhode Island, Pottery Barn. There's like a whole range of selection of affordable and less affordable items, but this is just my favorites that I'm obsessing over at the minute, and kind of pieces that I'm trying to find but I can't find. So if you can locate them for me, that'd be amazing. Thank you. So without further ado, let's just get into today's video. So I'm going to start off with the lights, and this whole inspiration for this video came from this one light that I found. So I'm going to get my phone out so I can be looking at it while I'm talking to you guys about it. So I was on Pinterest the last day, and I was going through my feed or whatever, and these lights came up. They're like a light shade, and I just thought, like, wow, like they're so pretty, and I haven't seen really anything like this in shops. I just think they're so interesting, and they're really like a statement piece in our space, I'd say. So the first one I seen was 3 of them. There was like a dusty pink, then there was another one that had like a blue inside it, and it had a few different colours, like, and it's tassels around it, and this is so like vintagey looking, and yeah, I just fell in love with these lights. And then when it shows at the bottom, then, like, you know, suggested, like, you know, similar ones. I've seen more kind of casual ones, and then I've seen more like kind of ways of people have done it, like, you know, with the tassels on different types of lights. Like, they're very kind of boho, but like also kind of classy and sophisticated and traditional, and they're just so pretty. So I decided to show you guys them. My favorite variation of it was these 2 end lights, end table lights. They're so pretty. It's like a copper bar, and then it has like a copper at the top, and then it's these white or pink, you can't really tell from the picture, tassels around it. And I've seen a picture of it lit up as well, and just the way the light came through them is just so beautiful. Like, it kind of comes at the bottom, and then it warms up the white around on the tassels, and it's just so beautiful. So yeah, I've seen them, and then I tried to find out who designed them, where they're from, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I couldn't, because I wanted to buy them myself, because I just thought they were that nice. I wanted to get them myself, but I couldn't find who designed them, and it wouldn't show me anywhere. I went on Instagram, Google, Pinterest, everywhere, trying to find who designed these lights, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So moving on from that, I want to go on to sinks, and more specifically statement sinks. And I feel like sinks are going to become a much more a focal point of spaces in the coming year, especially like sinks and bathtubs and just finishes in bathrooms, because I feel like we've seen the same thing all the time in bathrooms, like very monochromatic, you know, very simple, and maybe like with a pattern tile or whatever. But like, I feel like now we're going to start seeing more of these like kind of statement pieces, like statement sinks and copper bathtubs, and I just think it looks really cool. So I've seen loads of these kind of Moroccan style sinks, and like kind of sit on a surface, and it's like a bowl that sits on the surface, and has like the kind of drain thing going down in the middle of it, and really amazing like patterns and designs on them. It's really interesting and really cool. But yeah, there's more kind of geometric patterns, just kind of, it's a bit more simple, not as, you know, crazy or colorful. They're a bit more like muted and calm, and just more obtainable or less intimidating. But yeah, I guess I'd really keep an eye out for these, because these are going to become big in, especially in the next coming year. I've seen it done a lot this year, but like not very mainstream, and that's something to get excited about, because I can see it happening a lot in 2019. But guys, oh my god, so I've seen these lights on, I was scrolling through Pinterest, and I've seen these lights, this like dining room, and oh my god, these lights are literally like my dream. I want these lights so badly, and I just think they're so like pretty and amazing, and such a statement, and like, it's just with the whole room as well, it just looks amazing. And I went and looked around and tried to figure out where it's from, and I went on Instagram, and I seen like a photography page, and I figured out who the designer of who designed that room, and it was designed by a company called Gluckstein Home. I can insert their Instagram thing here, but they designed it, but they didn't have any pictures up of it, of the space, so I couldn't figure out where these lights were from. But them lights are literally like my goal, and I want them so badly, and I'm not going to give up looking for them. I'm going to continue looking for them. I'm going to find them for you guys, and I'll put up on my Instagram when I do find them. I just thought that space was just so perfect, and can you let me know in the comments if you guys like them lights, or is it just me? Because I literally am obsessed with them. Like, I just think they're so different and cool, and I'd love to use them in a space. Okay guys, so I'm going to move on to the section of the video where I can kind of show you pieces that you can actually buy and that are not, and without breaking the bank, you know, you can get them for your space. So I'm going to start off with Riv Island. Riv Island actually released a home line, and I mean, it's nice, but like, I mean, I feel like a lot of the pieces are, you can kind of find them anywhere. So I'm going to start off with, actually I'm going to show you my favorite pieces. So like, I like a lot of decor pieces. So one of the pieces that I found was a kind of like a bookend. Like, I mean, you mightn't care about bookends, but I just thought this was so pretty. It's like a stone, but like it kind of looks like crystal or something, and it has like gold on the other side. It's just really pretty, and like I feel like it would be like, you know, oomph up your space and add a bit like of glamour and, you know, glitz and a bit of glam, and, you know, just a bit of, yeah, you get what I mean. That. Now, this isn't the nicest version of this I've seen. If you go into TK Maxx, there's always kind of crystals and stuff that are for like bookends or whatever, or decoration, and they're much nicer. Like, the stone has way more like depth to it. Like, this looks a bit like kind of flat, but it still has really nice pretty colors in it. Like, it looks like teal from this picture, but it's really nice. I really like that, so I'll link that down below. That's only 25 euros, so it's a steal. Then there's these really cool candlesticks. I don't know, I'm really into candlesticks at the minute, I know. But there's like a teal one and an orange one, and I just feel like you could, like, you know, if you had like an all white room or something, you want to add like a pop color in, you know, you could add in, you know, a couple of teal candles, or like a teal and an orange, or like two teals and an orange, or two oranges and a teal, whatever, and have your candles in it, and then kind of mirrored in colors then on your like cushions, your throw pillows, you know, just kind of add in that little pop and that little lift to your space. And they're only 10 euro each, like, so it's a steal. Oh, and also there's one more thing. If you're into that boho vibe, there's a cushion on Riv Island. It's like kind of a rectangular one, and it's a cream sequin design cushion, and it has this really bohemian, you know, lots of texture and tones to it. It's really pretty. It would be really nice on a couch or on your bed. Really pretty. Now, this one's a bit pricey. It's 95 euros, so I mean, it's not exactly affordable, and especially, like, you know, it's Riv Island, it's like a fashion brand, so I mean, and it's high street as well, so I don't know why they're charging that much for a cushion, but, you know, we're not gonna say anything. We're just gonna, I mean, there must be something on it that makes it that much, that makes it cost that much. Like, I mean, it does look very detailed, but like, we all know these are mass produced in some factory over in China, so we're not gonna pretend that someone had made that, like, you know, with like a really expensive material. So I don't know why they're charging 95 euro. Like, that's expensive for a cushion, but it's nice. Also guys, if you're looking for like really good faux flowers, Berries and Grey do an amazing range, and when they look very realistic. They're a bit pricey, but like, I mean, they're very nice. And also, if you're looking for some really nice decorations like Christmas baubles, Berries and Grey do an amazing range as well. So like, I 100% check that out if I was you, because they do some really pretty ones. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna leave it here, and it's already come up on 20 minutes, and I'm gonna have to edit this down to like 10, so I'm gonna leave my favorites off here. I do have some more, but I can share them with you another time, or if you ask them in the comments, I can, you know, link some of my favorites if you want. But I'm just gonna close it off now. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, give it a little comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it makes me so happy. And also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.